Welcome to the in front of me CUBOT King Kong Mini 2, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should go here to the notification bar. And now, as can you see here, we got the Wi-Fi icon. Tap on the icon to turn on the Wi-Fi. If you want to turn it off, just tap on the icon again, and as can you see, right now our Wi-Fi is turned off. The second way is just go to the settings, and here you got the network and internet section. Go here and tap here to the switcher, Wi-Fi switcher. Now we just can see here all the available networks. You can select one from them. For example, I'll go in with this one, and now just type here the password. And if you wanna, you can see your password. Just tap here on the checkbox, and you can see. That's now just tap here to connect and wait a few seconds. So as can you see, our device successfully connected with this network. If you wanna just choose the another network, you can forget this previously network and just choose the another one and repeat the same action to connect to this network. Also, if you want to just turn off the Wi-Fi function on your device, just tap here on the switcher. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.